Welcome, my student, class 6. How are you? Okay, I am fine. I am an assistant teacher of Maspara Ali Madrasa, Atgoria, Pabna. I hope you are always smile. Am I right? Yes. Thank you very much. I am Mr. Ryan Ali. I use in this class some and simple English. I hope you will understand everything. Okay? Are you ready to stay with me? Yes. Thank you very much. We will discuss about math. Today's chapter third and today's class fifth class. I'll discuss about integer. If you will attend in my class, you can add and subtract integer. This is our learning outcome. I repeat again. You can add and subtract. I mean বিয়োগ, subtract integer. Integer mean পূর্ণ সংখ্যা. Integer mean পূর্ণ সংখ্যা, অর্থাৎ পূর্ণ সংখ্যার যোগ বিয়োগ আমরা করতে পারবো আজকে ক্লাসে. First of all, we'll see what was our homework. It was our homework that exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. There it is, number 11. There it is, number 11. Put. That means greater than sign, smaller than sign, or equal sign. Three signs here: greater than sign, smaller than sign, and equal sign. We put here number 11 at number ko and kho. Those are our homework. I hope you will do everything. But I do again it for the low understand student. I use here and wipe it. Attention please. Number 11. Number 11. First, ko. Here is opening first bracket minus 3 bracket close, first bracket close, plus first bracket starting minus 6 first bracket close. There a blank cell or empty cell. Next, opening first bracket minus 3 first bracket close minus opening first bracket, minus 6. Here it is. Then we will do the solution. For minus 3 means minus 3. Next, we have seen the plus sign. Plus means minus 6 plus that minus 6. Then empty cell. Next, minus 3 means minus 3, and that our subtract. That was subtract. Subtract means adding the positive inverse of that number. Adding the positive inverse of that number. Positive inverse, that means যোগাত্মক বিপরীত. Minus 6. Positive inverse means plus 6. That is subtract. So we will write here plus 6. Thanks. Comment you will write here minus 6. Subtract means adding the positive inverse of that number. Positive inverse of minus 6. Here plus 6 is positive inverse of minus 6. That's right. Plus 6 is positive inverse of minus 6. Here, so we will write here plus 6, or minus 3 minus 6. We will write here minus 9, and empty cell. Here minus 3 plus 6, that means plus 3. Okay, that means plus 3. Here, what the bigger two numbers? What the bigger two numbers between two numbers? We have seen plus 3 is greater than minus 6. Plus 3 is the position of right side. Okay, plus 3 the position of right side, and minus 9 is the position of left side. So plus 3 is greater than minus 9. So minus 3, here minus 3 is here minus 9 is left side, so we write here left hand side. Okay, yes, right. So we can write here in empty cell is smaller than. So we do here everything. So minus 3 bracket closing plus minus 6 empty cell. We'll write here the sign. Next, minus 3 minus 6. Here sign is, our sign is left hand side or smaller than side. Correct? Yes. Thank you. we have completed the number 11 4. Here we can write it, and we will go the next number, that means 11 4. 11 4. Yes. What is the number? Here it is. Opening first bracket, minus 21, first bracket close, minus, opening first bracket, minus 10, that empty cell, and opening first bracket minus 31, first bracket close, plus first bracket starting or opening first bracket minus 11, first bracket close. So here we'll do the sum. 1. We can write here minus 21. Here the same number, minus 21, and minus, that means subtract. Subtract means adding the positive inverse of that number. Positive inverse of that number, minus 10. Minus 10, that means positive inverse of plus 10. Thank you. Plus 10. Empty cell, opening first bracket minus 31, sorry, that note, we will write the actual number minus 31, plus add means that number will plus that means minus, plus that means same number is plus 11. What? Minus 21 plus 10, that means the different sign, so we write here minus 11 and empty cell, and empty cell, minus 31 minus 11, minus 1 plus 2 4, 42. We can write here this place minus first bracket opening minus 10, that means minus plus 10. Plus 10 is the positive inverse of minus 10. Plus 10 is positive inverse of minus 10. So we can write here empty cell. Here empty cell means left side minus 11 and right side minus 42. Minus 42. We cut the minus number, so 42 is greater than 11, but here is the minus sign, that means less that number. Big number is smaller than small number. Yeah, that means we have used the minus sign. So minus 11 is greater than minus 42. Minus 11 is greater than minus 42. We can write here greater than sign. So we no need of the next line. So we can write, so minus 21 first bracket close, minus minus 10, empty cell, first bracket opening, minus 31 plus first bracket opening minus 11. That means our sign is greater than. Okay? Understand? Yes, thank you. That is our sign is greater than. Next, we will see, we will do the our main work. That was our homework. So today's we are going to starting our main class. Number 12 will fill in the blanks below. নিচের ফাঁকা ঘরগুলো পূরণ করো. I mean 12 ক. Fill in the blank. Number 12 ক. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Number 4 minus 8 plus empty cell or gap equal to 0. যেটাকে that means our right side. That means our right side. Here on we will use the opposite number minus 8. Minus 8. We will use opposite number and both sides. So my plus 8. That means plus 8 minus 8 minus 8 that number plus our empty cell equal 0 plus 8. We will 8 both sides. So value is no sense. Value will no sense. Value will no sense by using plus 8 plus 8. So we remove it plus 8 minus 8. So empty cell equal 8. Empty cell equal 8. So we can use here 8. Answer that our answer empty cell 8. This is not correct. We will see. We will use the actual number. Here minus 8 plus empty cell. That means our number 8 equal 0. And that is our answer. Correct? You will understand everything. Both sides, we will add the same opposite number for cutting same number, or removing the same number. We will remove the minus 8. We will remove the minus 8. Minus 4 we can use here plus 8. Next 12 number 4. We write it. Attention please. Number 12. Sorry, I will use here English, but number is Bengali. Come. 12. Come. 13. Attention please. 13 plus empty cell equal 10. Empty cell equal 10. Are you understanding? I say, are you understanding? Yes, you will understand. Or 13 plus empty cell, that means we'll say again number 12. 13 plus empty cell, we will here minus 13, we will here plus 13, that means we will here use minus 13, that means plus 13, that means we will use here minus 13 plus 13 empty cell equal to minus 13 plus 10 plus 10, that 10 plus 10. So here minus 13 plus 13, sorry, that it is here plus empty cell equal minus 13 plus 10, or we remove it plus 13 and minus 13. So 0 plus empty cell equal to minus 3. That means empty cell equal to minus 3. So we can write here 13 plus empty cell in the number empty cell of minus 3 equal 10. That is our answer. 12. Number 4. Next, we do the next sum. Number 12, go. Erase it and clean my place. Number 12, go. Here, look, 12 plus opening first bracket minus 12 equal empty cell or blank cell. Here you can write equal sorry. Here we can write equal 12 plus minus 12. That means we can here add minus 12. Add minus 12. That we can write here 12 equal to empty cell. So plus 12 and minus 12, we can write 0 equal 0 equal. So we can write 12 plus minus 12 equals empty cell equal 0. Number 12 ঘর, number 12 ঘর, we can write it. So next, number 12 ঘর minus 4. Attention please. Minus 4 all to the bracket plus empty cell equal to minus 12. Empty cell equal to minus 12. We can write here empty cell in our empty cell left side of empty cell minus 4. So if we remove it, we can use plus 4 plus empty cell plus first bracket minus 4 plus empty cell equal to minus 12, and again right side we can use plus 4. So plus 4 minus, we do not reply it again, you can write and you will understand everything. Minus 4 plus empty cell equal minus 8. So that means cross empty cell equal to minus 8. So our result is empty cell equal to minus 8. This is our answer. You can write more, then you write this line and put the empty cell minus 8. Okay? Yes, thank you. So we clean our place. Next, attention please. I hope you will understand everything. The last point of number 12, that means uno. Here empty cell minus 15 equal to minus 10. That is our sum. So we can write here equal empty cell, that means minus 15. We can use it the opposite number of minus 15. So empty cell minus 15 plus 15 equal to minus 10 plus 15. We have used here plus 15 is the both sides. So we can write empty cell, that means cross equal 5. Empty cell equal 5. This is our answer number. This is our answer number. Empty cell equal 5. So we can write. So we can write empty cell minus 15 equal to minus 10, empty cell equal to 5. That is right. Okay? That is right. So we clean the board, we clean the blackboard, and we'll see the next number. We'll see the next number. Number is 13. मान निर्णय करो. That means determine the value. 13. Number 13. So determine the value. Opening bracket. -7 -8 -25 equal -7, that means -7 -8, that means our that subtract mean adding the positive inverse of that number. What is the positive inverse of -25? What is the positive inverse of -25? -25, that means we know +25 is the positive inverse of -25. So you can write here +25. Here -7 -8, that means -15 +25 equal, our number is 10. Our number is 10. So we can write our number is 10. That is our next answer. We have learned more option in this exercise. So we do one more. So we can clean the board. Number 13. Number 13. I will write here Bengali, because Bengali is the number of our today's work. Number 4. -13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. That is our sorry, equal -13. That means only -13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. We can write actually I hope I will use the more line, because if you are a weak student, but you will learn everything in this line. So -13 minus 8 minus 1. We can close the same number. Same number, that means -13 -8 and -1. We can close the same number and plus 13 32. We can use the different place. -13 -8 -1 13. That means 21 22. -22 plus 32. That means 2 2. That means 0 3 2. Sorry. That means 22 is less than 32. So we can write here plus 32 minus 22. That means we subtract here 0 1. and we will use the plus sign. So we can write here plus 10. Plus 10, that means plus 10. We say it over and go over. We say it over and go again. There is no substitute for practice. Practice কোনো বিকল্প নাই. So today's class is dying here. Thank you for all being with me, and I am ending here, wishing good health to everybody. Stay well and I will say stay well, and until then I wish this. Thanks more. If you join my class, I hope you will learn mathematics and some practical English. I will help you everything. So that's end our class. Thank you very much. See you again.